Hello there, welcome to Nana's Classic Stitches channel. If you are new, welcome and thank you for clicking. I thank all my subscribers and returnees. Thank you so much. Keep sharing, keep watching, and hit the like button. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Welcome to Nana's Classic Stitches again, wherever you're watching this in the globe. Okay, today I'm not going to sew. I'm going to talk to you about the pattern that I'm going to use next week. I've cut everything though. Now, last week I was debating whether to sew this or get a new pattern. So that's what I did. I got a BURDA, okay, and it's 6516. BURDA 6516. So I'm making a jumpsuit, and as usual I've changed things around a bit. When it comes to this company, their sewing instruction sheet is a little bit different from our normal the four company, what do you call it, Vogue, Simplicity, New Look, Butterwork, and so on and so forth. Okay, now this is okay, hold on, I forgot to bring it. I was gonna get it ready and I forgot. I forgot. So hold on, I'll be right there. I have to iron the sheet. So, oh Lordy have mercy. Today I'm not myself. I hope I didn't mess up. Okay, I'm back. Okay, when it comes to the instruction sheet, most of the instructions are on the tissue paper itself, how to lay your fabric and all that. They don't put it on the instruction sheet, they put it on the tissue sheet, and they give you the measurement also on the sheet, okay, and then they direct you how to take your measurements and then figure out your size. Now that is done. What I'm going to do, as I said, I cut all my pieces already, jumpsuit. I'm gonna use the sleeves on mine, so I had to bring the armhole up under the arm about half an inch, and the collar I'm gonna bring it out instead the facing, not collar, the facing. I'm gonna bring it out and then put a trim to the neck and then put a trim to the short sleeve. Okay, that's what I'm going to do. So I'm going to also talk to you a little bit about trims. My fabric is cotton, so I'm using cotton trim. And I don't know which button yet, but I'm going to put some buttons somewhere. I haven't decided yet. Either in the front or both the front and the sleeve calf. Okay, and I have about this one, 3 different buttons, and then this one, and then this one. I don't know which one I'm going to use yet. So you know what, the best way is that I should bring the camera down and then you see what I'm talking about. So hold on, okay, I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back. The jumpsuit, I did a zipper, and as I said, I was going to use either one of these set of buttons or this set of buttons, or what's the other one, or this one. I don't know yet. Okay, now when it comes to trims, there are some different types of trims. As I said, I'm using cotton because my fabric is cotton. And next week when I start, I'll show you all my pieces. But right now, let's talk about these trims. You can use satin trims and do your own design like pleat, gathering, and so on and so forth. Okay, so these are satin, and this is transparent, like a polyester type. Okay, so you can come out with a lot of things with it. Make a bow with it and put it around napkins, for the table, for headband for babies, or your own neckline for your blouse, and so on and so forth. Now we have this bias also, which is, oh, my time is running fast, which you can put at the edge of the hem and then hand stitch it, or machine stitch it. Okay, so it comes in different ways, different types, I should say. Now I have it upside down. I hope I know what I'm doing. There we go. That's much better. Hey, today I'm not myself, but I don't want to talk about it. Okay. Sequins, also for trims and design your own style on your fabric. You can also have cord as a trim. Okay, this gathering also is pre-done already, that you can use to design your own stuff on your fabric. Different polyester lace. These are what I have at hand, but there's more to it. Okay, this is another type. This one too, you can use it for children's what do you call it, heirloom sewing. Also you can use that. And then different widths, different trims and different widths. Okay, this is cotton. This is polyester, but it's elastic type. You can use this for baby's band, hairband, and then you put your bow on it, and so on and so forth. You can also use it for panties, making panties. Okay, trim for panties. This is another width, but they're all polyester, but just that it's a stretchy. Okay, this stretches on one side more than other side. Okay, so you have it in black, different width, in different colors. So this will be it. I don't want to go over my time. I'm already 8 minutes. So this is it. Hold on. Hello family. I'm not myself today because it's family situation. I don't want to talk about it, but this is what I'm going to be sewing next week. Okay, so BURDA 6516 next week. So this is the end of the video. Thank you for watching. Happy sewing, and I'll see you next week. Bye bye for now.